Yeah. As we all know, that today, in our community, today is a day of celebration. That all our media is supposed to be here. Everybody will be dancing and celebrating. But they say that he whose house is on fire does not pursue wrath. Our prince is not happy. There's something that is happening or going on in our community that needed to be corrected, or action needed to be taken without delay. My prince.
Akeze, you have spoken well. Long live the people of ikenga, akanato. A saying goes that he who specializes in buying stolen goods will one day buy goods stolen from his own house. And he that wines and dines with the enemy uses a long spoon. The people of ikenga, akanato has been whining and dining with an enemy. I, the crown prince of ikenga, akanato, is not happy. Because a traitor and an enemy is dining with us.
In this our community?
Yes! That traitor and that enemy went as far as defiling my only sister, the princess. Shut up and sit down. And that traitor is here with us.
Here? Even who is he?
Sinachi, the Ebili boy, is the enemy.
Yes.
And he defied my sister, Ugiri, the princess. God!
Easy, God.
And according to the law of the land, anybody that defies the princess without following the Roman tradition of this community will have himself killed. Guards, take him!
My prince, before he takes me, my prince.
It has been long.
I have done an ordinary, innocent. He says, comes. She comes from the sun of man.
Guards!
Prince, wait. As the Onowu of this community, my prince, let's see if truly the princess have found love with his music, or he charmed the princess with the music. If truly he charmed the princess, let him free her. Truly the princess have found love with his music, or he charmed the princess with the music. If truly he charmed the princess, let him free her with the song. And if it were love, let us
we
see.
saw with our eyes, something we saw it with our eyes. What is happening?
I would have said your hands is also in this kind of sacrilege.
The Accusations
But
of this
because
community,
you have been advising my father, I will listen to you. Let him play his music.
Thank you, my
And
friend.
What chance? To complete the other chance he has come before.
Imagine not killing the princess in the place.
Hi!
Imagine kill the princess for us.
ikenga, akanato, obodoma.
ikenga akanato obodo ọma. Ikenga akanato obodo ọma. Obodo Chukwu gọziri obodo ọma. Ikenga akanato obodo ọma. Ikenga akanato obodo ọma. Ikenga akanato obodo ọma. Obodo Chukwu gọziri obodo ọma. Chukwu nyela anyị mmiri obodo ọma. Chukwu nyela anyị ji obodo ọma. Ikenga akanato obodo ọma. Obodo ọma. Obodo ọma. Onye mụ na ya ga-ebi yo. Onye mụ na ya ga-ebi. Onye mụ na ya ga-ebi. Biko n'ụgwanụ mụ na ya ga-ebi. Obi mo muna gigebi. Obi mo muna gigebi o. Obi mo muna gigebi. Muna gigebi. Muna gigebi. Obi mo.
It's enough. Mother, this is music. And it has found love. People of Ikenga Akanato, I greet you. I am here as the son of my father, the heir to the throne of Ikenga Akanato community. And I have the offer my father left for me in my hands. And I want to make this final verdict and declaration. From today henceforth, Sinachi, the Emily boy, will now become the palace chief entertainer. Accusations, mother, in the next 6 market days, at the coronation ceremony of I, as this king of this community, I will officially betroth my sister, the princess, to Sinachi as man and wife. Akeze, go to the neighboring communities, go to the villages, both friends and well-wishers. Tell them that in the 6 market days at my coronation ceremony, that something great will happen. Play me that song again. Play me your song. I can't stay. Let's dance along. Mother. I can't. Aketoma obodo Chukwu gọziri. Aketebo obodo adọrọ mma.
Ukwango diwai ya edema kai mulia duku noneba obi mo munagi gebi obi mo munagi gebi obi mo munagi gebi munagi gebi munagi gebi